All right, this one was a little bit tricky, but if you just highlight the horizontal lines, you'll be all right. 8 and 7 are the yellow lines, so you can clearly see this red mark right here has to be a foot long if it's going to extend for as long as this 8-foot mark is. And if I match them up, probably won't be perfect. It's pretty close though. So you can see that red mark is going to be 1 foot. And that's also the difference if you scroll down here next to X between this 4-foot side and the side of X. So if this is 1 foot, the rest of this, if these have to equal that 4 foot, this is 1 foot right here. That means the rest of it has to be 3 feet. So X would equal 3 feet in this case. And then the Y here, I haven't highlighted the sides really, but this side right here is 3 feet. This side's 3 feet. They have to add up to the 8-foot side. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus Y equals 8. Y would equal 2 feet. When you do the perimeter for this one, you can see I've done it out here. Since there's so many sides, I've decided to do them 2 at a time. 7 plus 8 is 15, and so on. 8 plus 3 is 11, and eventually you get 38 feet. This next one, it's a little more basic, but same idea applies. You can see I've calculated F down here for us. This side right here that's 15 feet long, and then this side right here that's 6 feet long. They're going to match up pretty close. It should be anyway if I did this right. It looks like I did okay. If I combine these two, they're going to match up with this side of F right here. So F will be 21, not feet, centimeters in this case. And we can do the same thing for G. If I slide this piece up here, that 21 centimeter piece, and this piece right here will equal the 33 centimeter piece. So this piece, if you do the math, 33 minus 21 is 12 centimeters. And then I'll take away my answer right here. It would be 108 centimeters. Just key to remember, I did it first in this case here. The values for F and G. So F was 21 centimeters, and then G was 12 centimeters. So I wrote those down first so I didn't forget them, because that's a common error people make. That's a wolf. And then here we have T and U. I've got to figure these out. I'll do this one a little bit slower, but you can see 4 miles. It's going to combine with T and 8 miles to get the other green part down here, 17. So if it's 4 and 8, 4 and 8 is 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. So T would equal 5 miles. So I can put that right up here. And then U, well, we don't know what U is, so we got to figure that out too. But it looks like, I can delete all these things so we're not confused. I have the red colors for the vertical lines. The vertical lines go up and down. So looking at the red lines, we have 8 miles and 4 miles. That'll equal 12 miles. And 12 plus what will get us to 16? It'll be 4 miles. So make sure you label your answers again here. 4 miles. And I'm going to skip doing the perimeter for now. I think you understand. Just add the sides. Make sure when you're adding the sides, I know I mentioned already, add in the values 4. We're going to write the value 4 right there, and then the value 5 right here. But also make sure you cross them out as you're writing the formula. So if I said P equals 16, I wanted to make sure that 16 is crossed off. And as I keep writing down the numbers in the formula, you'd keep crossing them off, because again, so many sides here, you don't want to forget one side and get the whole thing wrong for what would have been a solid effort on a problem.